Blood.
Thank you.
Okay.
Why?
Fuck you, Veronica.
Yes,
Why?
please.
Fuck you, Jenny.
Why 50% of the girls in an Irish pub are fat?
Because the father.
You're the weakest link.
Because their dad is a dag.
Is he a big dag?
Yeah.
I'm going to send this video to my friends in Ireland so you can see the quality of Czech ladies. It's quite high standard.
We are not from Czech.
Oh shit, sorry, where do you come from?
Another mistake.
So, Katarina, where do you come from? Slovakia? Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
So, don't confuse. Yeah, this is
Yes.
serious, you know. Mistake.
Maybe I have one drink too many already. This is Luba.
Very small.
She comes from Moscow. And yeah, anyway. So what's up?
You got excited already. You see?
Oh shit, what's going on? Night vision maybe? Oh yes. Look at the ass now, how bright. But it's a night shot, so
So, whoever.
we go to... Yeah, okay, nice to talk to you. I think I have to wait a little while till the asses are drunk, you know?
Do you feel that you've been
Who's taking these chickpeas?
What's up, Shelley?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
Yeah,
Hey?
What are you cooking?
pasta.
What's that?
That's amazing.
Shelley,
Yeah.
what are you cooking?
Oh, my God.
Cooking chinky poo.
Yeah,
You
chinky
are
poo.
so horrible.
Are you
Yes.
doing the before and after pictures?
Yes.
Oh no, you can't do that.
You
That's
can't
very
do that
cruel.
to me.
Oh yeah, this is Shelley before the drinks. Oh, way to go, Shelley. Hey, this is what we like. I missed that, Shelley. Can you do that again?
Right, we start from the back.
Okay. Oh yes.
And then
Check
we
the
go,
tattoo.
woo!
Oh man. Right, I'm going.